In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photography website with Squarespace. Squarespace is a popular platform for creating visually stunning websites, which is essential for photographers looking to showcase their work. Let's dive right in. Choosing the right template is crucial as it sets the tone for your entire website. Squarespace offers a variety of templates, but for photographers, you'll want to concentrate on those designed with visuals in mind. Some of the standout templates to consider are Osaka, Brine, and Wells. These templates are widely appreciated because of their clean layout, which helps to highlight your photography in the best possible way. Start by heading to the Squarespace website, where you can browse their template gallery. It's a great idea to take your time here and explore the different styles and features each template offers. If you're drawn to vivid full-screen images, you might love the Osaka template. For something minimalistic yet highly customizable, Brine is an excellent choice. And if you want a template that balances elegance with functionality, Wells could be the one for you. As you explore these templates, keep two important factors in mind. First, the ease of navigation for your viewers, and second, how well the template showcases your work. Remember, the main goal is to make it easy for visitors to appreciate your photography without unnecessary distractions. Squarespace's website has a demo mode, which lets you preview how each template will look and function. Once you've explored the options and found a template that resonates with your style and needs, it's time to select it and begin customizing. This part is exciting because it's your opportunity to infuse your personality into your website. Think about your brand identity, your color scheme, and your typography preferences. These elements can transform a simple template into a stunning, unique website. While customizing, pay special attention to your homepage. It's the first thing visitors will see, so ensure it captures their interest immediately. High-quality images, a strong introductory text, and a clear call to action can make all the difference. As you continue to build your site, remember that Squarespace offers a variety of tools and extensions to enhance your functionality. You might consider adding a contact form, integrating social media links, or even setting up an online store for prints or digital downloads. Finally, take advantage of Squarespace's dedicated support and tutorials if you run into any issues or have questions along the way. They have a wealth of resources to help you at every step. Once everything is set up, review your website with fresh eyes or ask a friend to do so. Look for any areas that might need improvement, test your links, and make sure your website is mobile-friendly. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to publish your masterpiece and share it with the world. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up a photography website with Squarespace. I hope you found this video helpful and that your new website perfectly showcases your stunning photography. Thanks for watching and happy creating.